Welcome to the criterion how to install. In this video we're going to go through the installation of the screw fix skirting. Screw fix skirting differs slightly to the standard flat aluminium skirting as it has provision in the top of the extrusion to be fixed off to the wall. So the purpose of skirting is to protect the wall from wear and tear and from scuffing, and also provides a neat way of finishing the wall where the wall meets the floor. So this skirting is available in 50mm, 100mm and 150mm, and it comes in natural anodised and is also available in a wide range of powder coat colours. What you'll need to install the screw fix skirting is that you'll need the skirting stakes, you'll need the skirting tape and the fixing screws, which are a 6 gauge by 13mm panhead screw. You'll need the zip grip skirting adhesive, you'll need a tape measure, you'll need a saw with an aluminium blade and a pencil. So before installing the screw fix skirting, you'll need to ensure that the wall is in good condition and the wall is straight. Obviously the floor is not always level, but as long as the floor is within plus or minus 5mm, the floor coverings may take up this intolerance in the floor. If the floor intolerance is greater than this, you may need to scribe the bottom of the skirting to suit the particular scenario. So firstly, we'd recommend measuring all your walls and cutting the skirting to length. With the internal corners, these are normally just square, cut and abutted, and sometimes they can be mitered. With the external corners, you would use a plastic corner stake, which looks like this. So this plastic corner stake is used for all your external corners. So once you've applied the glue to the skirting, you place it on and position it on the wall. Once you're happy with the position of it, take it off, just leave it sit there for 5 minutes. This will allow the glue to become slightly tacky and you'll get a much better bond when you go to put it on a second time. So once you've put it on a second time, you would then screw fix through this top section, and then once that's done, you would then use the skirting tape. This skirting tape hides the fixings. The best way and the fastest way to install the skirting tape is to run it through the end of a silicone nozzle. The plastic silicone nozzle can be cut at the end in which glue would normally come out, just slightly smaller than the opening of the top of the extrusion. This gives the skirting tape a curve and allows you to insert the tape into the extrusion very quickly and neatly. So that covers the installation of the screw fix skirting.